Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Akshita. I'm from Bangalore Medical College. Secured a score of 656 in this NEET 2021. I started my preparation from March 2020. I enrolled for Bhatia batch, Bhatia coaching classes. It was online for us actually because of the pandemic. My typical day would be we used to have classes in the evening after 4 actually. So after the class I used to revise the notes and solve MCQ then and there from Q banks and some books. We completed the course around September, and we had vibe session in October. After that, I've started my first revision. Yeah, I could complete one revision before November INI CT, and I got a rank of 1.7K in November. And then yeah, we got the news that NEET would be postponed to April, and then I took a break of I think 1 month. Again, I started in January with notes. Only my revision strategy was notes and QBank MCQs. I used to give GTs regularly. Initially, I gave once a month in the preparation phase. During revisions, twice weekly once almost. June we again had INI. Since NEET got postponed. In June, I got a rank of 613 in INI CT. And I would like to thank DBMCI family for like being with us throughout the journey. It's been a long journey. I would like to mention definitely Tamim sir, Nazir sir, Jai sir, and everybody actually. What our I think one thing I did was I used to like whatever INI exams I wrote, I came back and analyzed my mistakes. Where did I go wrong, and what there were silly mistakes and things I could correct. There were questions which I knew and I had done them wrong. So I think I applied them in the whatever GTs I gave after INI. I think after June INI, I tried like I used to mark a lot of questions for reviews. I reduced the number of questions marked for reviews. Yeah, I think analyze your GT scores, your mock exams, and revise. I think notes was the only source for me. I definitely added MCQs then and there in the notes, like previous year questions of AIMS and NEET. Most of them were in the notes, but yeah, whatever I felt like I should remember this. Yeah, I've added it in the notes. And yes, DBMCI has really played a major role actually. I am a foundation batch student. So yeah, it's been 3 years with DBMCI. Any advice is please believe in yourself. There will be a lot of you will have self doubts, and there are times where you feel like giving up because this year especially it's been tough for all of us. It was almost extended for like 10 long months. We had to again sit and study for NEET. And yeah, just believe in yourself. Keep revising. Don't trust your source, whatever it may be. Don't think it's like given more. There's more. I have to study from that, from this, like those. Your friend is studying from that source. All that. Just trust one source. I think that is the main thing. And revise your notes properly. Solve questions. MCQ, you should know how to. Reading notes is one thing, but solving questions is another. You have to. The art of ruling out, I think Tamim sir will definitely. He's explained beautifully every time in all like his lectures and all. So yeah, MCQ solving I think is a must. And please give GTs regularly. Don't worry about the score. Just for the time and to track your time and to see how you can improve. Like what kind of mistakes you're making in GTs. I think that should be enough. Thank you.